Welcome, in front of me I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I will show you how you can find and manage sound settings. Open settings and then go for the sound options. At the first we can adjust media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume by moving these switchers on the left or the right. Next we can change function of the volume buttons. We can control ringtone or media. Here we can adjust vibration for calls. We can also activate and customize the Do Not Disturb mode. Here we can hide media player when the media session has ended, so we can enable or disable this option. We can prevent ringing on vibrate, mute, or just turn off this option. Here we can change phone ringtone, or we can set also the custom ringtone. You can change notification ringtone. Here we can adjust alarm ringtone. And other things like sounds and vibration settings. You can customize them by tapping on the switchers. And here we got the ear customized sound effects. So you can pick sample sound profiles under 30, from 30 to 60, and above 60 years old. Of course, you can also customize them manually and add your own sound profile, but of course you have to plug your headphones at the first. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.